what is deformation? A change in shape due to an application of force, okay, on that particular object causes some deformation. Okay. Now, deformation is experienced by objects, okay, or physical media under the action of an external force. For example, if I say some sponge or like if you put an external force, if you twist and turn, it will automatically deform. But again, it may turn into its original shape. Okay. Now let us come to stress and strain. What is stress and strain? These are the two forces that actually describe the forces that an object undergoes. One is stress, another is strain. Now, what is stress? You have heard of mental stress, that is mental pain. Whenever too much stress, too much tension, so we say that we are suffering from a headache. But what is stress in and on an object? Stress is a quantity that describes the magnitude of forces, okay, that mainly causes deformation. And also stress is generally in physics language, you can say that force per unit area is known as stress. The formula, if you say force per unit area, is known as stress. For example, I put an external force to pull an object. For example, stretching of an elastic band. Now when we stretch the elastic band, okay, that stress is known as tensile stress because it elongates. Suppose the forces which cause compression, that object is called squeeze. That object is being squeezed from, say, a sponge, so it is squeezed from all sides. So that stress is known as compressive stress. Why? Because we are compressing. Okay. Next is bulk stress or volume stress. In some of the say depths of the ocean, for example, a submarine, okay, like it's very squeezed, okay, like a stress or a tension force goes on, that is known as bulk stress. Okay. Now suppose let me give you another example. You hold a book very tightly. You hold a book very tightly between the arms of your hands. Okay. Then with one hand you pull and press and pull on the front cover away from you, while you again with the other hand you just bring out the other cover. So what happened? Two deforming forces are occurring tangentially, right? Two forces. So both are deforming the shape of the book. Both are deforming the shape of the book, but tangentially. We call them shear forces, and stress they cause is called shear stress. These two forces, this is the shear force, and the stress that an object is occurring is known as the shear stress.